Hi there, students! Today's Japanese word of the day with Puppy-sensei is Kotoshi. You should see it over here in hiragana and kanji. Kotoshi means this year. In some cases, you might also hear this word pronounced as konnen, as in konnendo. But I think Kotoshi is far more common. So what are your goals for this year? To learn more Japanese? To pet a cute puppy? To conquer an entire nation? Regardless, whatever it is, I wish you great luck with everything that you do. Let's write these kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see you soon. Mata ne.